Yo, what's up mga kahabi? So, I need to share this to you. So, gagawa ako ng DIY clamp from the chain of the motorcycle. So, first is you need to enlarge the hole. So, if you want to know how I remove this, so I use a grinder and remove the head, this shaft thing, and hammer it with this nail. And then we need to enlarge the hole, guys. So this nut and bolt, you can use this nut and bolt. So if you want to, it's impossible to use this, guys, plier while drilling it. So I customize this plywood, put the screw here, then this is the lock, another screw. I put some oil. It will cool down. See, it's not moving anymore. Oh, smoking. Need to cool down. Hanip, nakapag-English ako. Use the water. Then you have it. I'll be right back. So mga kahabi, pag binili ko to, yes, kahapon, it didn't work. So gumawa ako ulit niyan, gumawa ako nito, baka ano na, parang clamp to. Balikan ko kayo, guys. Yun, o diba, DIY gawa na. So lilinisan na lang natin. Thank you for watching.